To successfully run a business, you need to acquire clients, deliver first-rate customer service, and execute operations with ease. As companies scale up, it becomes difficult for business owners and managers to handle these expanding factors and deliver results on time. How are you managing your business growth? Are you able to record all data accurately, and analyzing the results to detect anomalies? Are your manual methods prone to human error? How are you streamlining your processes? Unsure? Here's the answer to all these problems. EFFORT is a comprehensive SaaS platform that helps you digitize and automate all your processes in one place. Our powerful platform offers solutions for workflow management, an easy method to define and execute your business workflows; business process management, the strategic way to analyze, improve, and automate repetitive tasks; field force operations, an innovative approach to manage field employees and activities. EFFORT is a SaaS platform with a DIY form builder to implement your processes efficiently, and it does not require any coding. With EFFORT, you can configure the workflow and processes to delegate tasks, monitor the progress, and optimize your productivity. Usually, companies are either product or service-based. In both cases, organizations require people to conduct business, establish processes to clearly define their jobs, and, lastly, create customer delight. EFFORT revolves around people, processes, and customers. With EFFORT, you can efficiently manage people and ensure job completion, create and carry out processes, and deliver faster, higher quality results to your customers. EFFORT helps to achieve time-critical and location-sensitive tasks, better transparency, improved efficiency, increased productivity, accurate reports, and insightful analysis. Our wide range of features include digitized customizable processes, seamless API integration, geointelligence, geofencing, real-time image capture, build rules for accessibility, digital data capture, real-time visibility, Google Data Studio and Power BI for reports and analytics. Raise service requests through multiple channels: phone, email, IoT devices. Sign up and start your free trial. EFFORT, the world of innovation awaits you.